Do you want to be more productive? Everybody wants to be more productive, but we seem to have a hard time concentrating. I talk to people that work 80 or 90 hours a week, and they can't find the time to get everything they need to get done. In fact, the ones that are working 80 hours a week seem like they're getting less done per hour than the ones that are just working 40 hours a week. We're constantly pushing against the grind, but it never feels like we're getting enough done. In a recent McKinsey study, it was reported that over half of our time spent working is spent managing work. As in, we're not actually working, we're just emailing and communicating and having meetings. We're not actually producing the things that make us valuable as people in the workforce making things. We live in a workforce where we are constantly required to multitask. However, our brains are not designed to do that. And as we switch between one task and the other and one task and the other, our brains can't handle moving fast and staying in a flow state throughout all those activities. By being connected all the time, we sacrifice truly being productive. This class is about deep work. Deep work is based on the research done by Newport. It's all about removing the distractions that slow us down and make us work all those extra hours, and instead focus on how do we narrow in on the activities that truly generate value, that make us stand apart in our jobs and our careers, and how do we execute and kill those activities. I'm bringing you the modern research in production and concentration that's going to help you shift from working 50 hours a week and feel like you got nothing done to working 40 hours a week and getting more done than anybody else. If you want to be productive, you got to find a way to get rid of the shallow work and go to deep work. And that's what this class is all about. So if you're ready for an electrolyte-fused adrenaline rush of productivity knowledge, sign up, hop on in, and get ready for some knowledge.